So today we are in Bonorva, a town in the center of Sardinia, pretty close to Sassari, Cagliari, Oristano and Nuoro. It's not right in the center, but not too far from it. And from here you can drive on a 4-lane road in all directions. The town is lively. There's always something to do. The sky here is always blue. Look at that. So this is the house that is, for sale. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. As we enter, on the left-hand side, there's the kitchen. And why so dark, you may be asking? And yeah, because the window fell down. They didn't fix it because they're selling the house, so that's something to fix. Anyway, so we are in the kitchen. That's where the sink and all the appliances used to be, the oven, the fridge. And on right-hand side from the entrance, we have the living room, where you can see there is a bit of humidity from the ground coming up. Right here, at the moment, is absolutely dry. You can see all the dust. So this was due to the record rain we had last winter, a few months ago. But it needs to be fixed. From here, we have the bathroom on the right-hand side. And there's a shower, and everything here was renewed 10, 12 years ago. On this side, they had the washing machine and the dryer. So if you need to put the washing machine, everything is in place, ready to go. Let's move upstairs where the rest of the house is. The steps are quite easily and short. The steps are quite short, so no problem going upstairs. And that's the main room. You can turn this into a fancy bedroom or a living room. From here we can go outside and see the rest of the town and the other houses. So let's move to the other room. This could be a living room or another bedroom, depends on your needs or what you need to do. And upstairs, they rebuilt completely the roof 2 years ago. So everything is brand new, isolated, so there's no insulation, there's no heat. Today is a sunny day, quite hot, and I know that you cannot see the temperature here, but trust me, this is fresh. I can touch the wood here. It doesn't feel hot at all. It's absolutely fresh. So, how tall is this? I'm 1 meter and 70 centimeters, and I'm standing here, so this is, let's say, 150, and you can have studio, maybe the desk, computer in that side, and the rest, of course, is pretty low. You can, just put there the Christmas tree and the decoration and stuff like that. And there's another storage area here where you can leave everything. So, you're interested? You think that this could be a house you may move to in a town like Bonorva, where there is a lot of things to do, is a lively town. Well, everything is within few steps from the house, the pharmacy, the restaurant, bar, the post office, the church. All you need to do is walk a few steps and you are right in the street of the house. Just drop us a message and come and see live if you're interested.